Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn the difference between so and such. So goes with adjectives. Such goes with noun phrases. This is one of the most common grammar confusions for beginners. Here are the basic rules. Use so before an adjective like happy, tired, beautiful. Use such before a noun phrase like a nice person, bad weather, beautiful children. Adjective means one word describing something. Noun phrase means noun with words around it. Look at so plus adjective examples. She is so happy today. The movie was so scary that I could not watch. It is so cold outside. The food was so delicious. Notice so always comes before one adjective word. Now such plus noun phrase examples. She is such a nice person. It is such bad weather today. They have such beautiful children. What's such a good idea? Notice such comes before the full noun group with article a. See the comparison side by side. I'm so tired uses adjective tired. She's so kind uses adjective kind. It's such bad weather uses noun weather. He's such a genius uses noun phrase a genius. Check what follows so or such. Both so and such work with that to show results. It was so hot that we stayed inside, or it was such hot weather that we stayed inside. Same meaning, different structure. So plus adjective, such plus noun. So that shows purpose or goal. She studies hard so that she can pass the exam. Such that shows strong degree causing result. It was such a boring movie that we left halfway. Purpose versus intensity. Quick tips to remember. So plus adjective or adverb like happy or quickly. Such plus noun phrase like a nice person or bad weather. Both work with that for results. Listen for what follows adjective or noun. Practice these patterns daily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.